Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another new release video. This week I only have a few new releases. I didn't go like super crazy with them because I'm prepping stuff for next month. We are doing a big sale next month and there's going to be a ton of new stuff. So that being said, there won't be as many new releases this month, but bear with me. There's gonna be a bunch in July. It's gonna be awesome. So I kind of focused on more functional stuff this week. I didn't do any kits or anything like that, but I still wanted to show you guys and do a little video on what is available for you guys. And these are all in the shop right now as you're watching this video. So if you're interested in anything, all the links are gonna be down below and you can check them out. So let's get started. So first off, these are they're not going to be in the new release section because I actually released them for $2 Tuesday and I don't know how well the camera is going to show you guys. Okay, there we go. I got to get super close for this. But these are just these cute little bill icons. So this one is, if it'll focus, phone bill. Then we have car insurance, rent. This font I feel like is kind of hard to read like on camera and such, but in person it's a lot easier. Car payment, student loans, credit card payment. I wish it was like, there we go, kind of easier for you guys to see it. Savings, how cute is that little pig? Cable. I think part of the problem with this font is that I did a black outline instead of just doing like the font in black. So I might go change that, but for right now this is what is in the shop currently. Electric bill, water bill. I can't get it. Internet and health insurance. So these were all the things that were released for $2 Tuesday. Since they are smaller sheets, their regular price is $2.50 for matte and $3.50 for glossy. But yeah, those were all of the new $2 Tuesdays. Like I said, I might end up darkening up the font so it's a little bit easier to read. Let me know what you think. I'm sure a lot of people are gonna say that they don't really like this font because it is harder to read. It's not hard to read when you're like in person looking at it, but I feel like it's not good on camera. Moving on, I decided to release a bunch of functional stuff in a summer color palette. So these are our summer color palette stickers, and it's all the functional stuff. Not all the functional stuff we offer, but like a majority of stuff. So we have habit trackers. You guys, I totally just realized I was filming without my lights. Wow. Big YouTube fail right there. Okay, let's try this again. So we have habit trackers. If my camera will focus. There we go. Just in these super pretty, I don't even think it's coming off on camera like that, true to color, but it's just like very tropical. It makes me think of like tropical stuff when I look at these colors. So you have that one, you have your half boxes, movie night, which I will be using a lot of movie night stickers this summer because there's so many movies coming out that I want to see. Scallop labels, quarter boxes, bill due. And then we have something new to the line. I'm like really having a hard time figuring out where to go here. We have dotted labels. So this is what they look like. And again, you just have them in the summer colors, but I also have them in the regular multicolor scheme. So I'm gonna have all of those in the shop. I know that this wasn't like crazy as far as like, you know, new stuff in the shop. Like I said, I am working on designing a bunch of stuff for next month. So there's gonna be a couple kits in the next new releases, but then like a ton of stuff in July. But these are the summer colors and then the one multicolored sheet. And then we have all of our little icon stickers, which let me know in the comments below what other like icon like these you want to see, because they were kind of fun to make and I'd love to add more to the shop, but I don't know what else you guys want to see. Alright guys, so that is everything that is being released in the shop today. I know it's not a lot and there were no kits, but trust me, big stuff's coming. But this was what I felt like I could get done this week, and I wanted to do like summer colors in like the functional stuff. So I tried to do as many sheets as I could that I thought would look good in the summer colors, or like, you know what I'm trying to say, like all the functional stuff in the summer colors. There are going to be some kits that are leaving the shop. I'm going to have them in the last chance section, so make sure you head on over and check that out in case it's something that you've been eyeing. You might want to pick it up now if it's in the last chance section, because it will be leaving soon. I'm going to have a code that you can use in the description box below to get some money off. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like new release videos, and let me know in the comments below things you want to see come to the shop, like different themes for kits that you want to see, because I kind of struggle. Like I have a big idea for July, but I'm stuck on like summer themes. So let me know if you have any fun summer themes that you want to see, because I just feel like I'm ready to move on to fall, and I'm like, you can't move on to fall yet. We're still not even in summer yet. So let me know in the comments below stickers that you want to see for summer. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.